Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance instructor. Is another easy peasy to my lunch time shenanigan crew. It's another easy peasy. Pull your co-workers, do this one together. It is a four-wall dance that move counterclockwise. It's only 32 counts, okay? Instructors, this is a great one you can teach your beginners, especially the ones that just come in the door. You can just call it out on the floor, and I promise you they'll pick it up. You can always keep the class moving. Um, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructional. Can we dance together? Watch till the end. Click on that video. Let's dance together. Please leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Also, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe and share this video. Are you ready? Let's go. So let's stand on this side of the room. Let's get us some lighting. So stand on this side of the room and look in this direction. We're going to shuffle up and pivot. Step, pivot, half. So it is right, step, left, pivot, half with the left shoulder coming forward. And keep that footwork in place, okay? And then just step forward on that left and shuffle. Left, step, right, pivot, half. Okay? So the same thing I do on the right, I do on the left. So I shuffle up right, left, that left come forward and the right shoulder come forward, half turn. Keep your footwork in place. I shuffle right. So this time we're coming forward with the left. Left, forward with the right, and pivot half with the right shoulder coming forward. Okay? All right, so let's do that together. 5, 6, 7, and shuffle 1 and 2, step, pivot, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. All right, now we're just going to sway right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. And you do that 4 times. Right, left, kick, right, kick, left. And when you kick, I want you to do like a diagonal kick. Kick, kick. All right? So that goes along with your sway. So right, left, kick, kick, sway. Right, left, kick, sway. Right, left, kick, and kick. So I did a series of sway and kicks. So we're going to start with 4 first, and we kick right, left. Then we're going to break it down to 2 sways, and then kick right, left. And then we do 2 sways again, and then kick right, left. Okay? This is how it goes. 5, 6, 7, and right, 5, 6, 7, and right, left, kick right, kick left. Do it again. Right, left, kick, and right, left, kick. So remember, it's where my weight is, okay? So I go from the right. I put the weight on the right. Right, left, kick, and right, left, kick, and right, left, kick. Again, where your weight is. Right, left, kick, right foot, left foot, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, and left. So let's put that together, all right? 5, 6, 7, shuffle right. 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, pivot 7, 8, sway right, left, kick, sway, right, left, kick, sway, right, left, kick, and kick. The only thing we have to do is turn to our next wall, which is to our left, a quarter turn. When you turn, step on the right. Right, left. So you can sway or you can do a rock, but it's going to be for 4. right, left, right, left. And that's the end of the dance. So let's go back here and put the dance together. So we shuffle up, step pivot half, shuffle left, left, right, left, step pivot half, and we sway. Right, left, kick, kick, and right, left, kick, kick, and right, left, kick, kick, turn, right, left, rocking to your left, quarter turn to your left. 5, 6, 7, shuffle. 1 and 2, half, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7, 8, sway. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick right, kick left, sway. Right, left, kick right, left, sway. Right, left, kick right, left turn, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to rock, quarter turn to your left. So let's try that this wall. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Right, left, 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 quarter turn, right, left, left. So just rock, quarter turn to your left. So counterclockwise. So your wall is always going to be to your left. Make it counterclockwise, turn. From here, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, and shuffle. 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Sway for 4. Right, left, kick for right, kick left, sway. Right, left, kick, sway. Right, left, kick, quarter turn. Right, left. Now you're looking back at the clock, at the camera, but you're like, Linda, I got it. Come on with the demo. Okay, I'm coming. Keep watching. Watch till the end. That's called RT Smooth Whatever. RT Smooth Whatever. Okay? I don't think I gave y'all the name at the beginning. RT Smooth Whatever. Watch till the end. Let's dance together. Leave me a comment. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.